This is the property owned by Kakay Land, Block 15, Lot 30. So this is the lot. This property is owned by San Miguel, that one at the back. So this will be your neighbors. There's a house being in the front, so there are no houses. There are no houses here. No houses on this block. You're gonna be the first one to build a house in this block. So this is the opposite block.
Tapos ang gate niya sa sarili siyang entrance. Tapos ito yung puro building.
This is phase 2, so it's elevated. Even the lot here is elevated.
Kung kanya to. Siya ang may-ari ng Peace Express, Federal Hardware, ceramic tiles, Euro tiles, Federal Hardware, Astora Plaza, kanya yun. Yun po yung pag-aari. Opo. Jeffrey na.
So this is near the gate. The gate is just there. That's where the gate is. And there's a basketball court. And it's right that you can see the Laguna de Bay from here. There, I hope you can see Laguna de Bay.
Alam ko po kasi nag-graduate siya ng
And Mount Makiling. Well, it's dark now. It's dark. It's 5:30, so we cannot see Mount Makiling here.
Bata pa yun, si... Opo, mga ano pa lang po yun, mga 40 plus.
On the other side of this wall is the commercial area. It's gonna be
Malapit na kami sa Lumini.
it's a basketball court. So when you build this house here, you're gonna see Laguna de Bay. Laguna de Bay is right there at the back. So on your second floor or third floor, you're gonna see it. It's beautiful here. Nice, because there are not many houses, but they said it's almost sold. Only about less than 20 units. These are the only houses built here.
Mototaryo lang ako sa wallet at may mga ano lang ako yung sa ano naman, sa may tibagan.
Okay, that's where your lot is. There. Right there. It's near corner lot.